Ever wondered why your fingers turn pruny after a long bath or swim? It's more than just absorption.
But that's not the full story.
If it were just osmosis, our whole body would wrinkle. But only specific areas do.
The real reason is far more complex, involving our nervous system. Yes, it's an active process.
When your hands are submerged in water, special receptors in your skin detect the wetness. These signals are sent to your brain, which then instructs your blood vessels to react. Tiny blood vessels in your fingertips constrict, meaning they become narrower, reducing blood volume.
This constriction reduces the overall volume of tissue beneath the skin's surface.
The epidermis, the outermost layer of skin, remains the same size. It creates the familiar wrinkles.
But why does our body go through all this trouble just to wrinkle our fingers? What's the point?
The answer lies in enhancing our grip in wet conditions. It's an evolutionary adaptation.
Wrinkled fingers act like tire treads, channeling water away and increasing friction.
This allows us to hold onto slippery objects more effectively, like a fish or a wet tool.
Imagine our ancestors foraging in rivers or climbing wet trees. Grip was vital for survival.
This isn't just a theory.
Scientific studies have provided compelling evidence.
One key experiment involved participants trying to pick up wet marbles.
Participants with smooth fingers took significantly longer to transfer the marbles.
However, those with water-wrinkled fingers performed the task much more quickly and efficiently.
This clearly demonstrated the functional advantage of those temporary wrinkles.
Process is controlled by the sympathetic nervous system, our fight or flight response system.
It's an involuntary reflex, meaning you can't consciously make your fingers wrinkle or stay smooth.
So next time your fingers prune up, remember, it's not just waterlogged skin.
It's your incredible nervous system, actively optimizing your grip for a wet world.
It's a testament to the subtle yet powerful ways our bodies adapt to the environment.
And this wrinkling phenomenon isn't limited to just fingers. Your toes do it too.
Imagine needing better grip while walking barefoot on wet, slippery surfaces.
The underlying mechanism for toe wrinkling is exactly the same as for fingers.
It highlights how critical grip is for bipedal movement and manual dexterity.
This adaptation isn't about deep water diving, but everyday interactions with wetness.
Even brief exposure to water can trigger the process, albeit subtly at first.
It's a remarkable example of neurovascular control working in perfect harmony.
The wrinkles create microchannels, allowing water to drain away, increasing contact friction.
It's similar to how the treads on your shoes or car tires prevent aquaplaning.
This seemingly trivial phenomenon is a sophisticated evolutionary trick.
It constantly helps us navigate a world where wetness is an everyday reality.
It's a fascinating reminder of the complex biology beneath our skin.
From simple curiosity to complex biological function, our bodies are full of wonders.
Thank you for joining me on this exploration.
But how exactly does this fascinating phenomenon occur? For a long time, scientists believed it was simply water absorption into the skin.
The outermost layer of our skin, the stratum corneum, is indeed designed to absorb water.
The stratum corneum, highlighted in green here, is the very outermost layer of the epidermis. It's composed of dead skin cells that protect the body.
Imagine a sponge absorbing water. It expands, and that was thought to be the mechanism.
However, modern research revealed a much more complex and fascinating truth.
It turns out those wrinkles aren't just a passive reaction to water.
They're an active, involuntary response, orchestrated by our nervous system.
When your fingers are immersed in water, specialized nerves detect the change.
These nerves send signals to your brain, which then sends commands back to your blood vessels.
The key mechanism is called vasoconstriction, where tiny blood vessels under the skin contract.
This constriction reduces the volume of the soft tissue just below the skin's surface.
The outer skin, still attached, is then pulled inwards, forming those familiar wrinkles.
Look at this simulated wrinkled hand. It perfectly illustrates how geological strata fold under pressure, as you can see in this diagram.
But why would our bodies evolve such a complex response for something so trivial?
The answer lies in a remarkable evolutionary advantage: improved grip.
Think of tire treads on a wet road. Wrinkles work similarly, enhancing friction.
They help channel water away, allowing for a better, more secure hold on wet objects.
Studies show wrinkled fingers perform tasks involving wet objects much more efficiently.
So, those temporary wrinkles are essentially nature's non-slip grip enhancers.
Next time your fingers wrinkle, remember, your body is actively helping you.
Our bodies are full of such incredible, subtle adaptations. Keep exploring and asking questions.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery.
Until next time, stay curious.
Explore more with us.